Hi guys! Welcome to our guys in the vlog!
Wait lang. Bakit nga ba kami nag-vlog?
Ate Jaya, say hi! Kupangit po!
Hello everyone. So today we're vlogging because we just want to, and then the next step is in the next bus. So basically we're here in next bus. We're finding where is
Nemo.
previous bus. We're finding Nemo, and after that we will swim.
So, yun na yung rason. Wala lang. Hehe.
So what is up mga kababayan ko?
Mga kababayan ko, dapat lang malaman nyo.
So here na us sa Charisan.
101. Ay, 101 ang sabi ko man. Highway 411.
Ano napipil nyo ngayon na ngayon ay talagang ngayon? I'm feeling excited! Ate Jaya, anong masasabi mo sa... Wala ako magagawa. Mahal kita kayo.
Hi guys.
Tignan nyo naman
You know,
si
it's so windy here. I don't know what's going on.
Tignan nyo nga yung mga boys na yun. Tipon-tipon na naman sila. Asan si Kuya Ken? Kailangan natin mabidyoan si Kuya Ken. Kasi... Ay, alis na na! Alis na na! Yung may baby cute! Look at the view, guys! Look at the view! I love you! I miss you! That is mine!
Jane the King. Dick. Puto siya no. Nabulag siya.
Wow! Smile! Smile! Oh, smile! Smile!
Promise. 7, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 because it's yummy. The texture is there. Yeah. Overall, 8 out of 10. Hindi ka naman pakit sa bibig. Ako nakakakakakakak. Kaya ko kayo ang bang puta yun ang pakit sa next. Mango gelatin gulaman. Tikman na natin. Nachos na tayo nachos. 9 out of 10. So yummy. You know, it's giving like, yeah. Temeng, nagpaplag ka. Ano mag-isa ka sa vlog? Rating for food and ID. 10 out of 10. Sabi nyo naman katasabi. Ang sabi natin nakakakantaman. Ang sabi nakakakantaman. Yung masarap na. It's spicy. Chicken nuggets. Mali pala, look. I'm just kidding, guys. Ay, Kuya Ken. Ay, Kuya Ken. Shout out kay Kuya Ken. We have it. It's 9 out of 10. Why? It's yummy. 5 lang. Abangan lang tayo. Ang sarong. Ay, sarong pala. Wala pa. Ay, ito na ba? 5 out of 10. Ang sarong. Yung isang bag, next naman. Say hi to our vlog. This is girly. We have a guest. Girly, from Girl Boy, Bangladesh Boy. Dati siyang may? Boy! Bison. Bison. Guys, ang mga boys buto. Ang buto is? Bison. That is it in English. Ang buto is bison kasi. Depends on the stress. Sometimes, when you overstress, the first syllable, it becomes, I don't know what bison. Oh my god. When you change your class, it's change the meaning. Yeah. You know what the buto? Slow it down. Parang hindi yung buto. Pumunta ko na monitor. Kape, pero sino ang lasa niya sa brownie? Ano yung gusto? Ano sa mga pula? special guest, Ate Mary. Very kind, very approachable, very talented. She dance well, she sings well, acts well. Yes, fine. Ate, hi. Let me give you the top performer of our. Let us introduce Ate Tess. She's top.
Every day, every night, she's top. Ate Tess, very kind, very top. Very talented. She tops on everything. She tops so far. Kuya, Kuya, nag-vlog kami, kuya, nag-vlog kami. Kuya, raise your hand to the vlog. Diba? Mga bata sila. Ruby, Ruby!
Here is our beautiful
Manager of the
and kabog-abog.
Ate John, say hi to our vlog. Three, go. Lumalamig ang galing. Three, go. Okay, kada girly. Oh, tahimik ka mo.
Paano malamig ang gabi?
Three, go. Say hi to the vlog! Nag-vlog po kami. Tapos na kami guys mag-picture. So next stop namin ay sa venue. Kasi we are dying to know what are the surprises of Abby. Yes.
Good morning, everyone, and good morning, Aberdeen! My name is Felicity C. Ajamar, representing OTC! Araw ka ba? Dahil sa tuwing nakikita kita, ay natutunaw sa iyong pagkain, sa iyong mata,
Ako ay huwag ng ganda. Ako ay isang sirena. Kahit anong gawin nila, pero makram ng may tubig ang sumisisi. Sa akin, makram ng may tubig ang sumisisi. Sa pagkagal, pag nasa akin kayo ay
Hi guys, so as you can see, we're done with the activities today and Fede won the award, the first place.
signature.
She said, Araw ka ba?
You want to hear my pick-up line? Araw ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi, yung nakikita ka. Okay, that's it. So,
That is her winning piece.
right now we are eating natong. Kita mo natong. Natong. Ay, ito ka ba? And this? Manok to? And na.
This is her glass. No, this one.
Oh, so kain muna kami guys. Bye-bye.
Ay, bawa. You don't say that. Juice lang.
It's time to drink. Ta-da! Drink with bingo. Kuya, mag-smile ka. Kuya, sa akin, ano Pinya colada.
Sige ma'am, kunin niyo na to ma'am.
Pwede yung dalawa, kuya?
Kuya, tatlong ano, pitik na may soft moves.
Kuya, ano yan? Ano?
Number 4. Buntis na may 4 na anak.
Ruby! Wala pa ako.
Oy, set full storage na iyan.
Ay, full storage na ni. Pangit naman pang picture ko sa vlog ni. Ano po? Ano po ang pinakamasiram?
Ako ma'am.
Oh my God.
Yes po, next!
Pinya colada po.
Pinya colada.
Ano yan? This one. Is that yummy?
So dahil pagod na kami, hindi na kami nakapag-outro at hindi na namin na-video ang lahat. So, tingnan nyo lang yung pinaka-last. Kasi, may mabubuong love team. Yun lang, tapos na. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. Ha 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 ha.